Hello all, I'm very happy to meet you once again with my next video. So this time it's about the interesting facts on the US-Canada border. Let's jump into the video. You know, the US-Canada border is the longest international border in the world. Wow, it's approximately 8,891 kilometers from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Amazing. Here are some interesting facts about the US-Canada border. US-Canada border is known as the longest undefended border in the world. Unlike many international borders, it is not heavily militarized and there are no physical barriers along most of its length. There are more than 120 official border crossings between the US and Canada. These crossings include bridges, tunnels, ferries, and even airports. When it comes to time zones, the US-Canada border spans several time zones. So these time zones runs through multiple provinces and states, including Newfoundland, Labrador, Quebec, Ontario, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Alberta, British Columbia, and the territories of Yukon and Northwest Territories. The border passes through various bodies of water, including the Great Lakes. The Waterton Glacier International Peace Park is a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site that straddles the US-Canada border. It combines Waterton Lakes National Park in Alberta and the Glacier National Park in Montana in United States. The border is marked with numerous boundary monuments and markers. The most famous is the Peace Arch border located in Blaine, Washington and Surrey in British Columbia. So it symbolizes the peaceful relationship between US and Canada. US and Canada share many natural resources along the border, including the Great Lakes, rivers, forests, and minerals. Cooperation and agreements between the two countries are crucial for the management and preservation of these resources. Although the US-Canada border is generally considered peaceful, both countries maintain border security measures to regulate the flow of goods and people. The Customs and Border Protection in the US and the Canada Border Services Agency are responsible for enforcing immigration and customs laws. These facts highlight the unique characteristics and cooperative relationship that exists along the US-Canada border, emphasizing the shared values and history between the two nations. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.